Hi, Steve Draper here, giving you an update to those of you who've been waiting for your Shopsmith items to be delivered to you. I'm going to do this earlier than the 1st of December, which I talked about in my previous video because some information has come to my attention here recently. Those of you who have American Express, who've used that card for your purchases, they're only going back 60 days. So if you did your purchase more than 60 days ago, which would be prior to September 12th, American Express is balking at putting those charges back on your card. On the other credit cards, they'll do up to 120 days, which will get you back to about July 12th. So if you have having trouble getting your bank to put the charges back on your card, you may need to provide some additional evidence to them to support your claim. And that would be going to the Shopsmith website where they put that notice on there that they're selling the company, getting a screenshot of that particular screen. Also, if you send an email to Shopsmith to customer service and you got a response saying that's not being monitored, get a screenshot of that one as well. Also, if you called Shopsmith and they're not answering their phone, you need to mention that as well. So if you have those three items of information to present to your bank, they're much more likely to go ahead and still honor that and put the credit back on your card if that's what you want to have done. So that's why I'm putting this out there now, because of those deadlines for the 60 days and 120 days. And so those of you who have done your purchases prior to July 12th, you may still possibly be able to get it put it back in your card, but you'll just have to talk to your bank and explain the situation to them. And it's just going to be on a case-by-case basis with your bank. Really the best way to get this accomplished is if you can possibly get Shopsmith to initiate putting that credit back on your card, because despite the 120-day limit, Shopsmith can still put that credit back on your card with no time limit whatsoever. So that's kind of the situation there. So I just want to get this update to you and get this out to you now, so that those of you who want to take action, you can do it. Those of you who still want to wait, that's just fine. Go ahead and wait for your items. So that's it for here.